My name is Rayan Peru, and actually I'm a mathematician, physicist, and I'm actually the founder and inventor of distributed field intelligence. So quantum mechanics is the study of the smallest scale a human can think of, actually, be it an atom or a neutron or a quark or a string energy frequency vibrating like in string theory.
Hi, my name is Ochi, founder of Web3Clubs. So today we have a special guest, Peru, who is walking us through navigating the complexities of quantum physics. It's a topic that's very interesting, new topic for most people, although most of the guys here are geeks, so it was a great opportunity to geek out, got to explore the spins of stars and potential cures of cancer by the research of Peru. So yeah, it was amazing. Catch you on the next one.